Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to control your Insta360 camera with your Insta360 app on your phone. So in case your camera is rigged somewhere, it's on the selfie stick, you can literally control it with your phone and it's going to be your wireless monitor to control your Insta360 camera. So let's just jump into that. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can set up your Insta360 for the wireless control on the app. Once you're done with your connection, I'll show you how you can control your camera, how you can do the settings of your camera in the app. And then first of all, to control your Insta360 wirelessly, you need to go into the menus by scrolling down and swiping right and go to Wi-Fi settings. And here you need to turn it on. Once it's on, you will open your Insta360 app on your phone. And in here it will show your camera automatically. If it doesn't, you click on the camera, it will pop up here. Once it's here, you will click on the camera to connect and it will give you a pop-up on the screen of the camera that you need to confirm the wireless connection. You confirm it and then it will join to the Wi-Fi of the camera and will be connected, and you will have the live preview in your iPhone like this. Now let me just show you how you can set up your camera settings, how you can choose different modes, how you can see your recorded footage and edit your footage. So once you're connected, I'm going to show you all the settings on the camera control first of all, and then we'll jump into the editing. So in here you have these three dots. If I click on these, I have the histogram in case I want to see it. That is just for previewing the exposure on the video. And then next thing you have the GPS, which is for geotagging for many of the things. So in case you want to turn it on, you can come here and confirm it. So I'll keep it off for now. Next thing here, you have the resolution in case you want to be 6K or 4K or 3K, and then the frame rates. So I will be on 6K, 25 frames. And then next, you have the color. If you want to be standard or vivid or log, I always keep it on log for the better quality to have more control after in the color correction. After that, under here you have the SD card status, like how much is left on your SD card and the battery of the camera. And now you have the exposure here. If I come here, you can be on auto, or you can do the manual exposure with the white balance, ISO, shutter angle and everything. And then this thing here is called fly-through effect. In case you want to enable it, you can enable, and that way you will have a feel of drone flying through. I will make a full new video about that, so stay tuned for that. And next to that you have the footage which you recorded. You can access this, and I'll go back to camera for now. And under that you have different modes like photo, HDR photo, or interval, or burst, or anything like that. So I stay on video, but you can choose your desired feature here. So this is how you can connect your Insta360 with your phone and control it wirelessly. I hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any more questions, put those in comments and I'll make sure I'll reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.